from my M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I want to share with you how to make an improv Easter egg. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. The first thing we'll need for our wonky Easter egg block is strips. So we're going to take our strips, we're going to put two together, right sides together, and sew your 1/4 inch, and we'll make a scrappy strip set. We're going to want our scrappy strip set to measure 12.5 by 8.5. So let's cut this to that size. And we're going to take our background fabric, and I've cut these 4.5 by 13. I want them a little bit taller than what my strip set is. I'm going to overlap them like this. I'll go this way so you can see better. Then we're just going to do a gentle curve that's kind of an egg shape. So we're going to take this, line them up, and cut so we have a gentle kind of egg shape. So we're going to, and then we'll just take this part off. We'll remove the back part. We're going to line these up, put right sides together, and we're gently going to sew this around that gentle curve. So begin with those edges together, goes a little beyond there. Put that under the presser foot. And just gently go little by little, lining up the edge as you go. Until you've reached the end there. And we'll just open that up and press it. Then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Overlap them. And make our gentle curve. And we're going to do the same thing as we did last time. Take it to the sewing machine and gently sew around that curve. And you'll end up with your egg that looks like this. And we're just going to square it up. They're going to be a little wonky, and that's all right. And we're just going to add a strip to the top and the bottom. So I've just cut my strips 1.5 inches, and I'm going to sew one to the top and one to the bottom. And that will make your wonky Easter egg. Just rinse and repeat. Use them for a table runner. Use it for a wall hanging. Have fun and experiment. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.